So this building here, Houghton House, it was
commissioned in 1615 and completed in 1621 for its permission of King James. It was
built to be a hunting house.
only used for about 150
Years
before it was
dismantled and taken apart. It's
an Italian decorative
style. It was very popular then to show a sign of wealth to others in your circle, I suppose. It's like your
fireplace there. Look down there. Doesn't really lead to anything. It's here, I guess. Just imagine how big this was 200-300 years ago. Try and view from the back. So this is located just outside
Hamptill in Bedford.
part of the English heritage. So it's
Street of view. Beautiful.
I'm guessing on normal blue.
Blue sky. Less of this fog you can see for miles apparently.
Back of it, can you imagine the big staircase coming down from here? All these built up. A bit of old school here. History still standing thereabouts.